Come test drive the 2013 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, compact spare tire, daytime running lamps, rear stabilizer bar, body color door handles, electronic stability control, brake assist, rear window defroster, security alarm, front and rear floor mats. Come take a test drive today.